Hello, I'm going to go over a problem that will help you with your written assignment for week 8. I tried to draw a picture similar to the one in your assignment. We're trying to figure out the area of the shaded region. We have a rectangle within a rectangle. The first thing we need to do is figure out the area of both of those rectangles. So let's figure out the area of the big rectangle. To do that, the area is equal to length times width. So I'm just going to abbreviate it. Length times width. So I'm going to take 4y and I'm going to multiply it with 10y minus 2. You're going to have to use the distributive property here, which means you're going to have to multiply everything in parentheses by 4y. This will give me 40y squared minus 8y. So this is the area of the big rectangle. Now we're going to do the area of the smaller rectangle. Once again, you have to use length times width. I'm going to multiply everything in parentheses by 2y. I get 6y squared plus 10y. The next step is to subtract the area of the smaller rectangle from the area of the bigger rectangle. So I'm going to put this up here. This will be 40y squared minus 8y. We are going to subtract off 6y squared plus 10y. And I put it in parentheses to indicate that we're going to subtract off this whole thing. The mistake that students usually make is that they just subtract off the first term. They just put the minus sign in front of the 6y squared. They don't take into account that they also have to subtract off the second term. So that's why I have a parentheses around it. So let's go ahead and subtract this off. 40y squared minus 6y squared will give me 34y squared. Negative 8y minus 10y. I'm going to put it down here so you can see how we do the math. This can be rewritten as negative 8y plus a negative 10y. If you remember your rules for your signs, you know that if you have the same signs, you can add them and take the common sign as the sign of your answer. So negative 8y plus a negative 10y will give you negative 18y. Okay? So this will be your answer.